esakena no pensu jam dindi Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professors degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekwan quantum coding small do esakena no pensu biu e Ghana gudiem ejao shano smam senyuma kunye mienu omna bom skadwete mena no peden komo ne etia brel omoden ada so person no issue dey no na onya odi no right ya Richoku no ye wo keto ho e wadantem na afie obode no ho no ma papa ne maame mo setimi kebia nkwala ne betia san bobi ansa no matia kuskubo moden ada so on sabetia ka Richoku o ye shopping so amsrew ya no ato Richoku dia fra ne mesanse ofia eboa emanema etia tutu ye de ma Richoku no obetimi din so hia no obetimi din so nyuso etia san no ne kwa de abode 3-1 mankum asichirum na afen so kwa milu papa enso ewum moden ada on setimi ka Richoku betia san bo go ahead enjoy Richoku na face start today right the Ghanaian way and also power na mesan dia dance dia ma say game park limited for paying for the chacha sonko kwa na tia san ba ni odi hu jima betia san bo ma sika dwete hu asem so watimi asesa no amanfo dia edi no game park limited bo modern da so odi betia san chem o dial star 946 hash star 946 hash odi on setimi eka phone numbers pe na osa betimi hia na afi so kra from 0 to 9 na afi odi hu tia san chem www.gamepark.com.gh na afi no mpemfo tia san twen komo oko www.gameparkgames.com na afi oni mpemfo tia twen komo every time you are draw it tia ba so thrice a day internet edi ewo Adom TV so no no pano nkron be ba so na afi 12 pm asaba so 6 pm so ebesan abaso ntia na do hwatua san jimbi dwada enkopem kweseda ana game park games the san share so kwetua san ba me ba cho game park games no more power game park games are regulated by the National Lottery Authority when attach the unni mu fin go twam so fa unyime san se tacha ediwa wani betua pu so adwene betua san hyehyɛ utiri betua san bomtia na wo to so na de adwene kakra etua san to we mu any sponsors ni emu etotoro to ne hwehwehwe na no pen so wo mo touch abua media we can see on sempa ensa kan etmejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yes say MFMF Ghana Football Association and afen so the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana maintain come there vice president of the Ghana Football Association Rani Dine Makado or the nkomo kakra beja na sente mo hwe Black Stars performance na ekonanim na abanachi omhwese na nema esi kwa na enye anika na ni na se ogidi pass coach no adwumadi a wodi na enya de a ekoyi kra na mom omo ehwenim se Ghana ye next qualifiers e betua sabo na dia prepare dia kwa African Cup of Nations e danim no Ghana ye ne Central African Republic for the debate in terms so sa case no omo hwenim se Chris Utin obebo no homoden
you timpa a je say oya young ne makaka kra de betutu so ye betimi amachi na akwanim but Chris Ubaye no I'm about 3 matches. Wa win baako and wa draw mienu eba.
Yeah.
Ono abeka tro say ono ani nji performance no onim say bit me akọ higher. So what you say? Only the kasa say obeka tro. So he knows say say more. We need to go e tie kwa anim. Inti na bibia ono dadwen ho pa ne dadwen kese pa no. Yes, soon is you don't say that being a Chris. I did say, and yes, share one growl, yes, share bed train, you say Ghana and Yabobono. And you know, yes, say, it shows up Munsu, now, Yaquanim. And you know, they can't make cancer September 7th. Even she has Central African Republic, Kumasi, into where among for Munina, they say they be a measure that you say how many times I have cancer. Then from best support them best support in Nigeria because a crucial game power. You hear a win and I said draw. But draw the I mean we say a show power baby need to be qualifying stand team because Ivory Coast they say a feature here move crown track ba to toss 6 hours we drew a bit na okay baby. Nti mo dia na yem promote game no na amount from round 7th of September no
Football Association Trinity Friends GFA and odene nkomo Asia Factory Utin no bibia betwema 7th September and Akins case in the Betia Basu Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium and paying for the venue for the attraction now hwema 4 p.m. and Ghana in the Central African Republic for this case case and betia san 10 times we African Cup of Nations e betia ba so la Cote d'Ivoire no your last game a etia san bo na afie siki qualification e de akosa case case nim yemre mu so on crowd ma o haso fofo nsem futum no ukom dia na se togbe afede the 14th na sentem papa yi atia ne na chi kakra wasaba na ne nkomode aba ne se partnership a omne TSG Ofiam ana afin so Cincinnati FC amo ewo United States of America for etimi sign and Common Value Alliance ACVA no so ebeboa amaniama etia ko in terms of infrastructure na player transfer no ojide pass san hyehyɛ no omo amiemu pampia afidie ometia hyehyɛ betia sanboa na infrastructure development na afin so player transfer na afin so knowledge ometia san hia na boa na boost to omudwumadi a omudi no omo ene omo ebetia de ho sa so yi
kumasi mpatempa emantem.
Now, we also recognize that apart from all of these things, we need strong alliances with other clubs. And we cannot think of a much better alliance we're part of than the CVCA, the Common Value Club Alliance of Hearts, Hoffenheim, and Cincinnati. Common value because we are pursuing common objectives under 4 models: knowledge sharing, talent development, impact, that's call it corporate responsibility, and then finally joint business ventures. That's a Common Value Club Alliance. Okay, talent development, knowledge sharing, impact, and joint business ventures. And the first very obvious outcome is Salim Adam's departure to Cincinnati. Okay, where I'm happy he's playing regularly with the MLS next, pro team. We cannot talk much about the alliance here. To let you understand fully what the alliance represents, we'll need hours to explain each of the 4 things that I talked about.
Togbe after the 14th, the board chairman of Accra Suffolk Natin and Council didn't come on 18 Saturday and Sampa. One more any Hofiama or more Germany now face so Cincinnati, almost United States of America, qua pumps up minimum, and a name so Salim Adams, 18 Sakupi home GD pass said this is a Branton Bitin Sanchinum, Alco Dente, Eddie Abom and Yama Etianquil, other players and so Ebenya Sa benefit and Rupanwa, a year Yama Hudo Mudisi, a Comibitia Samboma, Goody Netian, so trying Sas and Tiachimen or Ganahano, Sa a year partnership in so a bit me Asandia Ba. Yako kumase krobia asante kotoko prince meduka tavre pambubu kono so akachia otimi sampan ananan echi abosia naso nanwada otutu ne chacha omuko piemo training grounds na afi so kwa hwese ne mesi koso a kobo na nimpempe hwe se na players no ene mpemfo di team na show msa no omugu so edin so na san kuma twitwe mu no ana Dr. Prosper Neteugum or a member of the IMC na for double as the head coach edema kumase asante kotoko o se usuro o FCC se bia na season we asia and second coming no Koroko supporters na amba in their bulk majority inti osre baby obeku bia no se obi bia entai ekotoko achi na se time so no so musi aka Premier League nim so a omo emeta achiri
kumasi mpatempa mantem bebre ewo ye pese ne se bia every week bia no se adomdom ya betimi akwa bia tonsu na akwa training ba ko ho akoba ntema akwa ba ko ho ebeko baabi sa ni nyina ne se mo atim ne yemo dia na ye pese di tim na eden ebrem na mo hu se dia tim na eden etie na me gidi se ye ne sa na ebe ma tim na ya kono na be ye nika na be ye ni gi se wo se wo data wo phone so abetimi ahwe kotoko match ne na so eno no be hye wo nkran ama waba me minimum se din kotoko no kra no etimi win the match ba se baba yara 45,000 na se kwa ye ma na any team bi bo na ya yi training yi a na ya boy empire yi a me yin ni se elalimpo betimi agina ya no na wo baba yara nti hye a e wo ho no nti e pese mo ti ase ye ni so ni amaye no se ma ben
Nti Dr. Prosper Nete Ogum na se door to door we hyehyɛ so kokra tim sampa you are dancing for and use door to door no ha na bopon bang bacho ho e be se no kyenya me asem sa pepe na kodoko e de bobuko no e ba ba fi sa bere kode enchi bia o me ne kwamanfo pro no se bia amanfo so betia do club no na afi o musi aka o ma beta chiri e de amom yenko Patrick Osajman countryman songo ho na yenhwe songo stick na no pay nkoma eye Patrick Osajman so e de eba hello songo. Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo. Hello,
Songo.
Metonka.
Bibi aboko.
You what ya si bibi aboko na so e.
Bibi aboko ja. It's only the talk kaka. More fire.
And you do
Mati, Alabido, but I say, I'm not pay advocacy as usual. Down the day, you know, a year Belgium, Mondays 6:30, and our face Wednesdays 6:30 a.m. and our Fridays also 6:30 a.m. Send your pro for the amount of it, the umre, Songo steak, and Songo steak, and also so no. I'm a very professional, you understand? I'm not paying. You ever go straight up to a footballer, a co-forming elections, a person. You understand? I don't understand, sir. Elections committee of the GFA, almost decision to hold presidential and ESCO elections before regional and district elections. No, to me, and your papa, you understand? And Tasu, you understand? And I mean, who institution be a kwakoto a aba. I see about presidential elections in the bias ESCO members, executives, president Bayajuma, and Sani about district and regional elections. No, we start from a year down. District, regional elections now through upper ESCO. Then the last one will be the presidential election. Why decision? Sani Pakona or make that decision. No problem. No, maybe I'm going to say any problem. You understand? I mean, it looks like people making this decision, or you're so desperate. Say, oh, say, going to be asking me fat. I continue to say, and I say, a coin be tsunami to me, a winning, a be a battle. You understand? And I said, me, a penny, and I said, me, a president, and I'm a chairman, me, the football. You understand? Because Udi can't talk president in the year. Now, the two executive school members we are. What do you mean? District and regional elections, what do you mean? Obi Obejina Biano, Suo Penipa, Ujina Asem, Suo Penasem. I mean, the election influence. And our force will be to, vote for you. Because you're president, maybe. One Pino, and as is the president, you go for Mujina. You have two more, a very problem. So, Nipanon president no call for Kurana. Yes, you win the even say president to say, where they to abako man. I mean, yeah, and sa and Kambum in the football, any yama appointment, anyhow. Which I said because I don't work with my enemies, and I said, many a time for 1 year, and I said, many and cophobia many be. It's here, I can't hear Juma. And normal be saying about appointment, very free. I mean, penny home call for about, and I said, penny what the amount in call for. Not football, now, yes, but it's a trophies, by your home toy in Koi. Because over a footballer, the current footballer situation at a team, any day, present administration, 3 to 4 years now. Omaye footballer. I mean, what do you see? The national teams no see who say Omoje trophies. National team no. And as a national teams the improvement but national teams no ehun to womo by way of say womo ko tournament out team say womo progression no was so ema chese wuti say ye trophies. Ye national teams no ni nyina te say enye papa blasters no kura no enye papa. National teams ni nyina Blasters for tournament, AFCON and World Cup. Okori. local Blasters Dallas ina almost so anko yi tournament sa so na under 23 omuko anko yi tournament Starlet and me and qualify for African World Cup. I mean bibia you fail you understand Obama side the Black Queens AFCON and World Cup women to me and qualify just in Chibia and Spain Women's World Cup countries who represent Africa na Ghana and Congo. You understand? Even our under 17, Grand Maria banned for 2 years for age cheating. You understand? Oh, buy your national teams now. The Pia go from the call. Princess for Costa Rica. One winning match back. They say Blasters are called African Cup, AFCON or Cameroon. They answer match back. They are saying they account. Nina, I'm a football. I pass a national team level. And go ye. Young qualifier. And I say, you're quite Kore. Local football, so I mean, bad coverage, bad officiating, local football, even officiating bad, and it's a refuge and this is the way we need. You got it. Supporters in Park. So, we face a situation, the current football situation. Ghanaians are not happy. Ghanaians are not happy. It is about 2 time. Baby do no more yes, no more yes, ye, Mamu yes, Fama, Obia, Ufi said. No system no pursue PT and our system no can be as no pursue any or fast system they send it there. It's in next one for Koshisha see you continue say no man say who yendi can to presidential election or football and Sani Abaya school and Sana the crack by regional and district wrong yendi can to presidential elections ye ko to football about yendi can to presidential elections me. If I'm a delegate and I said, me, Songo statement, wrong, and you can see a source. But me only said the public pursue PT system. And say about one, I mean, if you can say Basukulana, or say it's a system necessary and some woman to about, I think, say, what's the son of Omea. I feel so what's the son of Omea. And yes, you must solely, Yana, ya jitney and near to Abama will be in favor. And I say, I mean, will be system or pursue BT and will be tatis or pursue or the BT system. Meanwhile, football and Koye, football and possible Ghana. We know me and saying Koye in Koye, national teams in Koye, local football in Koye, football the Koya, and ya now we know. Sabia,
okay.
You know, also you Lawrence, titles, 1 p.m. and then we'll 5 for 5. I'm at 2
okay.
PM. You understand? South football elections, you need to talk about it. Okay. And go for Papa no Mutimi handle your football come from Ghana football. I say Ghanaians are not happy. Muntu abani rather than some a Babylon system about to see 2 presidential elections and sign ya to Ninano. You're wrong.
Okay.
Professor Bonfire.
May I say Patrick Osage, my countryman, soon going to Songo stake. Ana ono so ede eba na adwada ana afen so eye ukwada ani fiada no pa bia e Adom TV so no ye de Songo stick nso ebeto aso abrel se no so ma me se Christian atwitwa sam Ghana ni desia na no ada asase wo so timi pimo tekia wo kofra asase a echiri ehunu no na oye nyame de no ne ho komo akran so atia ba ne abe piem se local manager ne din ene Abdulhayati ono so ewo kaso ahye solom na ona Cheetah Football Club ye ne de na so guso ekeka sa asese be obetia sa pem so na omode akensi ba ko atimi asa apem so a ebetimi ahye Christian atwitwa sam enunyam
Yamina Edimana Yamina Eji. I think we've gotten over it. We sometimes he appears and then in your minds, your dreams on social media, and then it gets to hit you again. But I think we are getting over it. We lost Achu in February, and then I'm working on things to ensure that every February I will organize another cup that will be called the Achu Cup. Because even Cheetah Cup, a whole lot of teams want to participate. Here to me accommodate too. So I keep saying there will be another one in February. But I will speak to the family and other people. Then I will come up.
Abdulhayati Christian atwitwa sam the local manager and atene council de institution kwetian sam basa nyame adoma e de Achu Cup ebetimi atentam so na afie de akai Christian atwitwa sam na nkan no we see a kind about the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana nei ohwe na on Katias for ehu biu enti nyame adom ebedi achi na fair sen ne mabesi akọ game park games and then shesha son kwantua saba fisa break the way the newest lottery operators amabe pimo Ghana ha wo mo eden shesha ba manfo dia edi no mepacho opeke 4 ewo games mi na betia sabo star 946 hash na face so was selected with all networks and 4 numbers from 0 to 9 obetia say di na boa emaniama etia kwedi ama easy to play and na face so kwasan easy to win edweda nkopem kwese da bia no 9 am 12 pm na face 6 pm daily the draw no 8 certain times so so more mula na waji so say more power after regulated by the National Lottery Authority from phone ni mufren wotwa and found J Game Park Limited o mo hyehyɛ so kokra wo mo edi abem san say bet diwa wo adwene ebetimi abom timbetia san hyehyɛ intimesrew na found nyim nemum wo de hu jima na wo de adwene kakra account Rich Oko me patcho start today na in a Ghanaian way Rich Oko ne betia san bo Rich Oko ketwa ho na afi adentemo na afi obodan na kasa so an set me bia eno so ebetimi asan bo me patcho we ebetimi ama very nutritious meal anopa bia no obetimi dia kwa adwuma so na bo ma niam etia kwa dia ma so go ahead enjoy Rich Oko and start your day right the Ghanaian way we money sponsors at church me den the prof ike wala sa good catch back up and I'm ginem of course evidence based presentation yet me jaw health tips ana nyame adoma ye de ebro na afo so etimi hu se ne be ya opomode nsem so betia ko enko ba bia ka kire busuafo na fofo yere o ma wo fasefo na na mu krum no mpnafo na say health tips ana ye de urban nurse me den the prof ike wala sa be the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.